Yo, what is up guys, Player One Energy here, and today I got an unboxing for you guys again. This one is from Amazon. As you can see on the thing, it says Amazon Prime on top. That's just for you guys to know that's from Amazon. But I'm pretty excited about this unboxing because I got this package today in the mail, in the morning, and I'm opening right now, which is like late afternoon. So this package, although I haven't opened it yet, I'm pretty sure I know what it is. So let's get right into the unboxing portion so you guys can find out what it is, even though you probably already know from the title. So, sorry if you guys can't see because my arm got in the way. And of course, there's that one part that won't come off. I got it. After almost slicing my finger off. Alright, so here you guys can see there's some wrapping stuff on top. Almost like bubble wrap, but not really. How am I supposed to pop this? Alright. You can see the box is a keyboard. Okay, so this isn't just any keyboard. This box right here is a mechanical keyboard. So I bought this for around $40 off Amazon with free 2-day shipping. So I received this today. This is my first mechanical keyboard. I was hoping to use this with the computer. And the reason I bought it is because I saw reviews on YouTube that said it was pretty good quality mechanical keyboard for the price. And it's also because it's red and black, and those are my two favorite colors. So here we can see it says high speed, high control, high response. The Red Dragon logo right there. Red Dragon logo right there. Some information. And then on the back we can see some other information about this, which really isn't important. So what you guys probably want to see if you're watching this video is what the mechanical keyboard actually looks like. So let's get right into doing that. So I'm peeling off this little sticker that is right here. If I can get a good grip on it. Okay. So here we go, guys. Alright, so let's see. Wow, this keyboard looks pretty cool. Alright guys, so I just want to show you guys the noise because after all it is a mechanical keyboard, so I don't know if you guys can hear that, but yeah, so inside the box it comes with this little Red Dragon paper. I thought it was a sticker at first, but it's not. You have a little manual, probably showing you the shortcuts for like the different lighting effects that it has. A key puller, which to pull you just put it on top of the key, press it down, and then pull it up, which I'm not going to do right now. And then the USB cable that you have. So if I take this off and I plug it into my laptop, you should be able to see the lighting effect pop up. And so here we go. Look at this, guys. This looks pretty cool. So now I'm typing stuff, and you can hear the mechanical keyboard noises. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys what the actual switches look like, because the switches on here are copies of Cherry MX Blues. Alright, so if I can get this to come off. Alright. And here we go. Alright. So to show you guys what it actually looks like, I'm going to bring this in closer to the camera. So as you can see, I just pulled off the semicolon key, and it's a replica of a Cherry MX Blue. But even though this is my first mechanical keyboard, tons of people on YouTube say that this feels like an actual Cherry MX Blue switch. And I'm pressing the key back on there. And yeah, so things about this keyboard. What I can see just from opening it, the lights look pretty cool, changing up the brightness and stuff, and changing up the brightness stuff would be pretty cool having it at night. The cable looks pretty long, as you can see here. Taking it out of the laptop, it's wrapped up and it's a pretty long keyboard cable. Other things about it, the keys are pretty easy to pull out, and if you look at it from the side, you can see that everything is semi-flush to the keyboard right there. So all the keys look pretty nice. On the back of the keyboard, we can see that it includes these little rubber foot pads, so it doesn't slide on your desk. And we also have two little foot pads down here at the very bottom. So what are my first impressions about this keyboard? Well, being my first mechanical keyboard, just feeling the keys right now, they're pretty good. I can feel that these keys would be pretty comfortable to type on for long periods of time. So for gaming and working on papers and everything, I feel like this keyboard would be a pretty good cheap alternative to using a membrane keyboard that you guys usually use. And for the price, you really can't beat it. Now, putting the box back on there just so you guys can see it one more time, we can see all the different information that they have. It has 12 multimedia keys, the gold plated keyboard thing, Winlock, which should be this little button down here. And yeah, this pretty small keyboard that you have, like comparing it to my hand, I have pretty big hands. My hands are about 3/4 of this. And yeah guys, so that's my unboxing of this mechanical keyboard, my very first mechanical keyboard. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Hopefully I come out with more soon. And yeah guys, that's all for this video. Player One Richie out.